All right, Michael here at GR Flooring. Let's look at this carpet tile installation. So here we have Jason doing some carpet tile for us. Now, one thing you don't see as he's gluing this out is before we did this, we actually put chalk lines down. That allows us to make sure that when you walk into the room, you have full planks. If you start on the outside wall, work towards something with the unevenness of walls, you can sometimes get little wonky slivers here and there. Doesn't look as good. Now, the glue that we're using in this installation is what we call a pressure-sensitive adhesive. We install it, you let it dry or flash over, then you start putting the tiles on there. The point of that is that it allows us to do quick repairs. The glue holds extremely well until you put lots of heat on it. So use a heat gun, it reactivates the glue, you pull it up. So while he's installing here, you'll see when he first walks in, nice big full planks, and he's going to do trimming on the outside. So he just keeps going throughout the whole thing. Looks like pretty fast, doesn't go quite this fast, but that's what the whole joy of speeding things up goes. And when he's done, it is basically done. Then all we would do is transition at the doorway or continue from the doorway and go from there. So if you have any questions about how to install carpet tile, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.